This week in the Cookie Art Club, I'm showing you how to make these basket weave pumpkin cookies. Here's a preview of the tutorial. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of cookie dough. I used my cinnamon cutout cookie recipe for this project, but you can use any of my cutout cookie recipes. I'm putting them on a perforated baking mat and I'll bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. I'm spreading a layer of black royal icing onto the cookie. This icing is stiff consistency that I thinned down a little bit with a couple of drops of water. I'm using my scribe tool to outline the eyes and the nose and the mouth. And now I'm drawing the sections of the pumpkin. I'm piping a basket weave pattern with orange stiff consistency icing that's been thinned down just a little bit. This is a decorating tip too. Using that same icing and tip, I'm piping a bead border in between each section of the pumpkin. For detailed instructions on how to pipe this border, you can watch my bead border tutorial. Use the green icing and a decorating tip 3 to pipe a stem. Thanks for watching this preview of my latest tutorial in the Cookie Art Club. If you enjoyed it and you want to see the whole thing, hit the join button to become a member. You'll be able to watch all of my video tutorials, get access to my recipes, and you can get personalized cookie decorating advice. See you in the Cookie Art Club!